Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an Angry Bird. If you want to make a hard Angry Bird, you need different things. I don't know what things. But if you want to make very soft, if you want to make a just plasticine Angry Bird, you need a plasticine. And you need a red plasticine if you want to make a red one. And you need yellow and white and black and
green maybe.
What else?
Blue.
That's all you need, a plasticine. And that you put you have to make for the plasticine, the red plasticine, a circle and make the Angry Bird's hair. And you need the yellow plasticine on the front. You have to make a triangle shape and you put it on the front. Next you need a Spider-Man eye shape of the white and you put it on the next to the Angry Bird's mouth, and you need to make another one, and you need a little bit of black and put a little circle and put it on the Angry Bird's eye. And you need both of them. And you have to put the black, make a not short rectangle. Put it on Angry Bird's eye, but not inside of the eye. Put it top of the eye. And the next one, that you have to do what I says. Now you have to get the big piece of white and you have to put it on the front of the Angry Bird. And you need a black plasticine and make 3 rectangles. One is small, one is big, and one is small. You have to make the small you have to get the small one on the back and the big one on the middle, and the small one, the last one, on the back. So that's how you make a plasticine Angry Bird. I made one of them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.